You ever have one of those amazing ideas for a video game, but then that little voice in your head goes, nah, I could never actually make that? Well, listen up, because the world of game development has totally changed. I mean, it's been completely flipped on its head. All that power that used to belong to these giant studios, it's now in the hands of creators, just like you. And this right here, this is the whole key. This one idea literally changes everything. It's really the core of what we're talking about today. Think about it. What used to take a massive, expensive team effort, well, now it's something you can pull off right from your own desk. Okay, so to really appreciate just how huge this shift is, we got to take a step back. We need to look at how things used to be. Let's dive into the old world of making games for a minute. I mean, look at this. The difference is just wild, isn't it? Back then, you needed millions of dollars, gigantic teams full of specialists, and you absolutely had to get the okay from some major publisher. And now it's you, your laptop, and that brilliant idea. That's it. You know, this idea of a high-walled garden is just perfect. For so long, making games was this super exclusive club. And if you weren't on the inside, if you didn't have the big money or the right connections, well, that gate was slammed shut. All your awesome ideas were just stuck on the outside looking in. But then, things started to shift. A whole new set of tools came onto the scene, and they started knocking down those high walls brick by brick. These are the real game changers. So this is basically your modern developer toolkit. It's a whole ecosystem that's designed to help you succeed. You've got these incredibly powerful game engines that do all the heavy lifting for you. You've got AI assistants that are like a creative partner speeding everything up. And the best part, if you get stuck, and you will, we all do, there's this huge global network of online communities and literally thousands of tutorials waiting to help you out. Okay, so you hear this term game engine thrown around a lot. What does it actually mean? Well, think of it like this. It's a pre-built digital workshop. Instead of having to create every single tool from scratch, engines like Unity or Unreal just hand them to you. You need realistic physics? It's in there. Complex lighting? Done. It handles all that technical stuff so you can just focus on the fun part, being creative. And on top of all that, we now have this new superpower, AI. This is a huge deal, especially if you're working by yourself. It's like having a whole team of assistants. You're stuck on what your main character should look like? Bam! AI can spit out a bunch of concepts. Need some quick dialogue? Done. It takes care of so much of the tedious stuff, letting you stay in that creative zone. All right, so the tools are there, right? But what does that actually lead to? Well, it's led to this absolute explosion of creativity. We're talking about a whole new indie boom. And you don't have to take my word for it. The proof is in the games people are making. I bet you've played or at least heard of some of these. Stardew Valley, made by one person. Let that sink in, one guy. Undertale was also pretty much a one-person show. Celeste was made by a super tiny team. And these aren't just little side projects, these are masterpieces. They're beloved, critically acclaimed hits that went toe-to-toe with the biggest studios on the planet. So that just begs the question, right? If they didn't have those giant budgets or huge teams, how in the world did they break through? How did they manage to capture the hearts of literally millions of players? And here's the secret. The winning formula isn't what it used to be. Success today, it's not about how big your budget is. It's about how big your idea is. It's about a passion that players can actually feel coming through the screen. It's about creativity that makes you stand out. And it's about doing simple things perfectly. That's what connects with people. Which, brings us to the most important part of this whole thing. All of it. The tools we talked about, the new mindset, all these success stories. It's all pointing in one direction. It's pointing right at you and what you can create. Look, the big takeaway here is this. The old gatekeepers, they're gone. You don't need to ask anyone for permission to make something amazing anymore. The power has truly shifted back to the creator. It's in your hands, right now. The only thing standing in your way is deciding to start. And hey, starting is way simpler than you might think. It's not some giant, terrifying leap. It's just a few small steps. First, you find that idea you're passionate about. Second, you pick one of these amazing, accessible tools, like Unity. And third, you just begin, one little piece at a time, step by step. Seriously, I really want this to sink in. This isn't some maybe someday kind of thing. It's happening right now. The tools are ready, the tutorials are all out there, and players are absolutely starving for new, unique, creative games. There has honestly never, ever been a better time to be a new creator.
And really, that's the bottom line. The future of indie game development isn't coming. It's already here. The revolution happened. It's all just sitting there, waiting for you. So the only real question left is, what are you going to make?